Hello people, welcome back to my channel. This is Miss Craftiana. So today I made a friendship card. Hope you liked it. So let's get started. Now you need a sheet of the measurement shown on the screen. Take 5 pieces of colored sheet which must be 1 centimeter smaller than the exact sheet. Fold it using the scale just as shown. Now paste the 3 of them. Now paste one of the colored sheet at the edge. And other on the another edge. I have here made a few small envelopes to decorate the one side of the card. So let's learn to make these envelopes. To make this, you may follow the steps as shown in the video. The base of the envelope is now ready, so it's time to decorate it. I am pasting a little heart on the end to decorate it. And now putting a small note inside it. I have made 2 of them and now it's time to stick on the card. After pasting, it would look like this. Now you have to insert a few small notes on the other end. Stick thin pieces of paper in the middle. And do the same with the another. I am sticking here pattern sheets at both the ends so that it would look more attractive. Now let's start with the middle part. For that I am taking my friendship band and sticking it with the help of sellotape. And now I am taking a dairy milk as a gift for my friend and pasting it I will be writing here Happy Friendship Day. Now I'm tying a string around this. With this, our DIY Friendship Day card is ready.